busy. More than 300 crews have been working to help 550,000 customers who lost power. All but 3,200 of them have electricity now, but for those 3,200, it's been more than 72 hours since they've been able to turn on a light or feel the cool air conditioning. As Kristen Hartman learned, the ones who made it to day 3 were aggravated, irritated, and understandably tired of being in the dark.
Yeah, Rob, they were. The condo building we visited in Glen Ellen is home to dozens of families. They lost power when the storms rolled in Friday, and by 6 o'clock today, they were tired of counting the days without it. We have a tangled mess over there, right?
Yeah, we do.
The wires hanging where they're not supposed to. Told you why on a very warm day the people of Royal Glen had their windows open, and why for resident after resident the patio is a popular place, even for things you might normally do inside. So you guys are passing the time outside because why?
There's no electricity inside and it's very hot. So somebody needed a haircut and here we go.
Call them worn down. They lost their electricity Friday during the storms. They asked ComEd when they'd be back on. Here's what they heard.
First day was 6 to 8 hours.
Then
That was Friday. Saturday should be on by 11, 12 o'clock midnight.
Then
Then the next thing we heard was could be 2 hours, could be 2 days.
and today they got word.
The power should be restored at some point before midnight.
Do you believe it?
No.
Building management had to install temporary hallway lights today because it was tough getting around in total darkness. This is how you've been living?
Yes.
Especially for some of the more senior residents who got by with a little help from their friends. Neighbors brought D-Buzak ice. It helped with no working fridge or freezer.
I'm taking it calmly, but now it's getting on my nerves. I want to watch my TV.
Do you have a message for ComEd at all?
Do I have a message? Yeah, hurry up and get the electric back on.
ComEd is working on it. 99% of the customers who were out are restored. As for the 1% left,
they take longer because the outages typically are either affect small numbers of customers or take place in locations that present accessibility issues.
at the Royal Glen condos, trees were in the way of downed lines. Crews cleared them, allowing for wire work, and by 8:40 tonight, Ms. Buzak and her neighbors got what they wanted. The power came back on. To those still in the dark, ComEd says, quote, "We appreciate their patience," Rob.
Small consolation. So I'm wondering, how does this storm compare to the others that have given ComEd the most problems over the past, 10 or 20 years?
A little perspective for you. ComEd says this was one of the 5 worst in the last dozen years.
Okay, all right, it sure does. Thanks, Kristen. The CBS 2 Broadcast Center right here